Yo, what's up and welcome back to your monthly dose of recent automotive craziness. On today's episode you will see racing bathtubs, flooded hypercars, and proper off-road Subarus. Also, I just finished building the first phase of my new CLA 45 AMG, so if you're interested in following up on my build, make sure to check out at CokeAMG on Instagram or just click the first link in the description. Thank you.
21 Outlaws.
This first guy stands this RX-8 to the limits and has problems getting it on and off the trailer. Let me know in the comments if you prefer stance or performance builds. If you think you've seen it all, you are wrong until you saw this guy bring his bathtub to the Hillclimb race. This next video really brings back those old Ricer video vibes.
You got a twin turbo setup for that?
I just bought a twin turbo setup for it.
Oh,
or not
shit.
Twin turbo, dual turbo. Emits more power than a twin.
Oh, okay.
So a twin turbo is two turbos combined. A
Yeah.
dual turbo is two separate turbos.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
How
yeah,
much?
I know
How
what
much
you
did you pay
mean,
for
yeah, I know
that?
what you mean.
$6 grand.
$6 grand.
Yeah, that
I
sounds
looked at a
about right, yeah.
I looked at a supercharger that I might be putting in it too with the dual turbo.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with.
That would be
this. I'm
sick.
definitely gonna put
Because
a
I know
plug
the
and blower
Cobras.
on
I
it.
was like, are those? Is that a genuine? I was like, if there's a supercharger in
No,
there,
it's not
I'm native
supercharged.
to rev that bitch.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm kind of loud.
Now you're going to see a RX-7 that gave everyone at the meet a concert.
RX-7 concert.
If you think of Subarus, you probably think of rally, but this guy took it a bit too far.
Send it.
If you haven't seen it already, you probably live under a rock, but this man lost his new McLaren P1 to the flood of Hurricane Ian. The sad thing about that is that the P1 had only 300 miles on it. Either way, he just bought a new Speedtail in the same color a few days ago. Did you know that over 95% of you guys watching my videos right now aren't even subscribed yet? So if you enjoy these kind of videos, are new to the channel or find yourself coming back on the regular, I would really appreciate if you like this video, subscribe and comment #outlaw if you are part of the squad. This really helps me out and only takes you a second. This next man bought a picnic table powered by a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine out of a 1983 Ford Ranger.
Need to actually use the glow plug.
These men just built an engine in their garage. Let me know if you know where this engine could go into and how much horsepower it makes. Lately there have been more and more of the customer states videos roaming around the internet, and these are some of my favorites.
Alright, customer states, car clunks under acceleration.
Customer states car doesn't go above 20 miles an hour and makes a weird noise.
On this episode of Customer States, they have no brakes. They said someone in their family, close to them, did their brake job. So I check over the brakes, caliper looks new, brake hose looks new. Oh wait, it's a Bluetooth connecting hose. Those are nice.
The reaction of these friends after seeing their friend's M3 shoot flames is just amazing. These two girls lost their exhaust and tried to put it back where it belongs. For the next clip, please let me know in the comments who you'd think is in the right here.
Go around.
That way?
Oh,
I didn't know which way you meant.
that way, dude. Go in the lane.
Oh my.
Learn how to drive.
Are you kidding me?
Just take it easy. Take it easy. I'm not gonna knock you the fuck out, right?
You're pregnant?
Just let it be. Dude, let it be. You're wearing the wrong. Let it be. She panicked. There's kids in the car. Just let it be. Let it be.
I'm in my car.
Let it be. Let it be.
She spit on me. She fucking spit on my face.
You almost hit the car though, dude. Just let it be. You
I
were
didn't.
right.
Are you kidding me?
She's working.
I know how to drive.
Traffic.
I have driven for the Ford Performance Racing School. I know how to fucking drive.
You fucking
This is a
failed at
6-speed
that.
manual
You
car.
failed at that.
Oh, really?
You literally swear.
Do you want to see my license?
I don't give a fuck.
So then get in the car and let's go.
Listen, you're young and dumb. It is
Oh,
what it is.
really?
You
I
have
bought this car with my own
kids.
money.
I don't give a shit. Did I ask you?
So then get in the car and let's go.
Go.
Anyways, thank you for making it to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and enjoy your bonus clip.